Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you all are fine and safe. Today we are going to start unit number 14, money. Students, in this unit we will read about money, how early people managed to fulfill their needs when there was no money, when was money invented and by whom. Unit number 14, money. Long time ago, people lived in small villages. Naturally, they needed food, clothes, weapons, and so many other things of their daily use. But each man did not have these things with him. Moreover, there was no money to buy the things which the early man needed. Students, long time ago, there were no big cities or big towns. People were used to live in small villages and small tribes. But they needed all the necessities of life, such as clothes, foods, tools, and weapons. Students, tools are the equipments which make our work easy, and weapons are the things designed for physical damage. But at that time, there was no money to buy these things. Can you guess how early people could manage to get these things? Students, the answer of this question is in the next two lines. In fact, when one wanted something, he gave something in exchange. Usually, goods were exchanged. This system of exchanging goods was known as barter. Students, when there was no money, people buy things by barter system. In barter system, one gave his goods to get goods from other. For example, grain was exchanged for clothes, animals were exchanged for tools and weapons, and human labor was exchanged for some other kinds of goods. Student, if anyone didn't have anything for exchange, he gave human labor and get goods in return. This kind of business was practiced in every part of the world for thousands of years, but in fact the people felt a great difficulty in this way of shopping. Students, barter system was applied for thousands of years in the whole world, but it was a very difficult method to get the required things. For example, students, if you need wheat and have pulses to exchange, but the seller of wheat wants a horse in return of his wheat. So in that situation, it was difficult for people to meet the demand of seller and their need at the same time. Later on, in the 7th century BC, money was invented by the people of a country named Lydia. This country had plenty of gold, so the traders began to use gold as money. Students, traders are the people who involve in selling and buying of things. हम इन्हें दुकानदार भी कह सकते हैं जो कि चीज़ों की ख़रीदो फरोख्त का काम करते हैं. In the 7th century BC refers the time before the birth of Hazrat Isa alayhi salam. There was a country named Lydia invented money, and this money was made of gold. At that time, people used gold as money. By the passage of time, silver, copper, and bronze coins were produced for business. These coins had picture or symbols written on them. Student, but after some time, other metals started to use as gold like silver, bronze, copper. As the coins were heavy and difficult to carry, therefore paper money was invented, which is much lighter in weight. This paper money is printed by the government of each state. Students, after dealing with gold coins for many years, people found it difficult to use gold or other coins because coins were heavy and it is difficult to count and took care of them. So they invented paper money, which is lighter in weight. Students, do you know who invented paper money first? China invented paper money first, and now government of every country printed their money and use it for trade and for many other purposes. The value of the money is written on the face of each paper note. Different values and paper money is under use in Pakistan. This money is called currency. Each country has its own currency. The currency of Pakistan is called rupee. Students, as you can see in this picture, the value is written on the note shows how much this note worth. And like other countries, Pakistani's currency is printed under the supervision of Pakistan's government. A high value currency is called euro has been developed in some European countries. This currency is becoming popular day by day in Western countries. Student, 1 euro is 187 Pakistani rupees and now it is widely used in Western countries. Okay students, I hope you understood all about this unit. Now it's time to learn some new and difficult words. Weapons, weapons, weapons. Exchange, exchange, exchange. Barter, barter, barter. Century, century. Century. Lydia, lydia, Lydia. Bronze, bronze, bronze. Traders, traders, traders. Currency, currency, currency. Rupee, rupee. Government, government, government. Invented, invented, invented. Euro, euro. Weapons, exchange, barter, century, Lydia, bronze, traders, currency, rupee, government, invented, and euro. Okay student, it's time to answer some question about this unit. What do you mean by barter? The system of exchanging goods and services is known as barter. What do you mean by barter? The system of exchanging goods and services is known as barter. Question number 2. Who invented money? In the 7th century BC, money was invented by the people of a country named Lydia. Who invented money? In the 7th century BC, money was invented by the people of a country named Lydia. Question number 3. What is currency? The coins of different values and paper money is called currency. What is currency? The coins of different values and paper money is called currency. Question number 4. Name the currency of Pakistan. The currency of Pakistan is called rupee. Name the currency of Pakistan. The currency of Pakistan is called rupee. Question number 5. What is euro? A high value currency is called euro. It has been developed in some European countries. What is euro? A high value currency is called euro. It has been developed in some European countries. Okay student, that's all for today. Thank you so much.